nature of roots of quadratic equation. Objectives: evaluate the expression given the b squared minus 4ac values of a, b, and c. Use the discriminant in characterizing the roots of quadratic equations. The value of the expression b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant of quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This value can be used to describe the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real, rational, and equal. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 and a perfect square, then the roots are real, rational, and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not a perfect square, the roots are real, irrational, and unequal. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real or imaginary. Example number 1. X squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. The values of a, b, and c in the equation are the following. A is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to 1. Substitute these values of a, b, and c in the expression b squared minus 4ac. D is equal to b squared minus 4ac will become negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. Negative 2 squared is equal to 4. 4 times 1 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Since the value of b squared minus 4ac is 0, we can say that the roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 are real, rational, and equal. Example number 2. 3x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. In the equation, the values of a, b, and c are 3, negative 1, and negative 2 respectively. Let us substitute these values in the expression d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Negative 1 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 2. Negative 1 squared is equal to 1. 4 times 3 is equal to 12 times negative 2 is equal to 1 plus 24 is equal to 25. Since the value of b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 and a perfect square, then the roots of the quadratic equation 3x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0 are real, rational, and unequal. Example number 3. X squared minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. In the equation, the values of a, b, and c are 1, negative 6, and 7 respectively. D is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 7. Negative 6 squared is equal to 36. Minus 4 times 1 times 7 is equal to 28. 36 minus 28 is equal to 8. Since the value of b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, then the roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0 are real, irrational, and unequal. Example number 4. X squared minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. The values of a, b, and c are 1, negative 4, and 5 respectively. D is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Let us substitute the values in the expression. Negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5. Negative 4 squared is equal to 16 minus 4 times 1 times 5 is equal to 20. 16 minus 20 is equal to negative 4. Since the value of b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots of the equation are not real or imaginary. Now, solve for the discriminant of the following quadratic equation and determine the nature of the roots. 1. P squared plus 5p minus 3 is equal to 0. 2. R squared plus 9r plus 14 is equal to 0. 3. X squared plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. 4. 2x squared minus 7x is equal to 30. And 5. X squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0.